1.
What is the main focus of Snapchat? A. Text messages. B. Photos and videos that disappear. C. Business networking. Correct answer, B. Photos and videos that disappear. Which company created the PlayStation gaming console? A. Microsoft. B. Sony. C. Nintendo. Correct answer, B. Sony. Who founded Google? A. Steve Jobs. B. Mark Zuckerberg. C. Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Correct answer, C. Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Which company developed the Android operating system? A. Apple. B. Google. C. Microsoft. Correct answer, B. Google. What year did Facebook launch its first mobile app? A. 2008. B. 2010. C. 2012. Correct answer, B. 2010. Which social media platform is known for sharing photos and videos with a focus on aesthetics? A. Instagram. B. Facebook. C. LinkedIn. Correct answer, A. Instagram. Which company launched the first Android smartphone? A. Apple. B. Samsung. C. Motorola. Correct answer, C. Motorola. Which of these companies is a major competitor to Google in search engines? A. Yahoo. B. Bing. C. Facebook. Correct answer, B. Bing. What year did WhatsApp get acquired by Facebook? A. 2013. B. 2014. C. 2015. Correct answer, B. 2014.